the LG V20 user here, and today I'm showing you guys how to use Incognito Window on Chrome. So it's very easy, guys. So what you guys do is open up Google Chrome. You guys go to the right side of Google Chrome. You guys go click on the three dots. You guys click on the three dots. You guys will have this window pop up. You guys go to New Incognito Window, or open a whole new tab, and it'll say you have it on Incognito. Now you can browse privately, and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, the downloads and bookmarks will be saved. You guys know more about that. Chrome will not save the following: your browsing history, cookies, and site data, information entered in forms like passwords and stuff like that. However, your activity may still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school or whatever, your internet service provider like Comcast or whatever. So that's how you guys go to Incognito mode. It's very easy. I'll open a whole new tab. So if you guys want to browse privately and you guys want to browse some good stuff, you guys can do Incognito mode, and it will not save your browsing history. So if you guys want to browse some adult material, you guys can do that. So that's how you guys use Incognito mode. If you guys want to get out of Incognito mode, you just hit the X, and you guys will go return to regular Chrome. So yeah, that's how you guys use Google Chrome Incognito mode. It's very easy. Go to the three dots, go to Incognito mode, and you guys will use it privately and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you last me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.